What's up? I'm sweaty. My hands are blue. Why? Because it's hot as in here. And I'm making this quick little video that's gonna be released on an abnormal day. And that's because got a special video coming out this Saturday. So make sure you're subscribed, and I'll give you a quick little shot right now. So that's all you get for now. If you haven't seen the previous videos, go back, watch those. But in a few of them, the damage report one, I talk about it, and then I mention it in the A-arm video. But I talk about limit straps. Well, we did do those limit straps, and unfortunately didn't film any of it. Luckily though, there's not much to film about it. So here we are. Why limit straps? A lot of you may know, some of you may not. So what I found is after we did the RZR tender springs, which in my opinion is still a must-have. After doing that, when we would, basically if you just, not a bump, but the thing that happened the most on is in Brimstone. They have water bars to control the water flow down the mountains and shit. And they're just like a little off-camber bump. And if you hit those too hard, you know, your front tires ever so slightly come off the ground. Well, even though they slightly come off the ground, your front suspension goes full droop. Meaning, you know, that spring unloads the weight and goes boom, 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 and slams down. And you hear a real loud shock clunk. And it's annoying. But more importantly, it's bad for your shock, bad for your axles. So to remedy that, you can put limit straps. And all it is literally a strap that connects from your top shock mount bolt to your bottom shock mount bolt. And it stops the shock 1 inch short of full extension, meaning you get no more shock clunk. A lot of guys that jump a lot do this. I would imagine it's a necessity for them, but just my driving style, I was hearing that shock clunk a lot. And you know, I know some of the bigger brands have pretty expensive sets which are nice and fully adjustable, but I got a set from All Thingz UTV, and they're made by PRP. So PRP makes them, branded under the All Thingz UTV name. I'll put a link in the description below for these as well. Well, they're cut to length for the shocks, and they're not adjustable, but they're $100 versus the $270 to $300 for the bigger brands that are fully adjustable. $100 if you're hearing that shock clunk a lot. Cheap insurance on these damn flies. Cheap insurance for expensive components like shocks and axles, you know. So why not? Right now, I'll take you over to the machine and I'll show you what it looks like on there, and give you a quick rundown on how we did it. It's real easy. Anyone can do it with basic set of hand tools and a jack. Let's go. That's all we're looking at here is, yeah, you can see the All Thingz UTV logo. It just mounts up top, runs down to the bottom. With the kit, you get these straps. You get new hardware for the shocks. So it's just a new bolt, bunch of washers, the spacer, and a nut. And best way we found to do it, maybe the necessary way, You get that top one in and let this hang down while the unit's in the air. You put this bolt through, but leave it open here, so then you can set the car down, use the weight of the car to compress the spring, and then you can latch this on and torque both of them to spec. Like I said, super easy. $100 for a little insurance on shocks and axles. Didn't price those out. I bet they're more than $100 though. So if this kind of interests you, like I said, link will be in the description, and you can get yourself a set. Again, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. We're trying to get that number to keep growing. Hit that like button. Leave us a comment. If you guys ever have any questions on anything we do, feel free to ask. I'll be here to answer. So remember, subscribe, check back in on Saturday for the special video. Super pumped about it. It has nothing to do with why my hands are blue or I'm sweaty. Well, I am sweaty because I was filming that for the 4th time. But yeah, see you on Saturday.